Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO A54s. So in order to do that, first open Google Play Store and then start searching for an app. Here write Firefox browser. Select this app and press install. After your installation process will be complete, we can open the app. And here start customizing it. First pick the theme for your browser. You can change it from light to dark or set automatic. You can change toolbar placement from bottom or top. You can change settings for always on privacy, and it can be strict or standard. You can sign up to other Firefox devices in order to sync them. Here's the privacy policy, which you should read, and after all that, start browsing. And here we have a fully working browser. Let's open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.